Hello, I'm Dr. Shraddha, and in regards of the Breastfeed Awareness Week, I would like to express my views on the topic. Breast milk is the best gift a mother can give to her newborn. It is the first vaccine that the child receives in the form of a meal. It is not only a lot of advantages for the newborn, but it has as many advantages to the mother too. The breast milk, the early breast milk, that is colostrum, contains a lot of antibodies that help the child to fight infections. It also contains omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids that helps to boost the child's intelligence. The breast milk contains all the nutrients that are required for the child's growth. It is safe, easy to prepare, and the child's gut easily digested. Also, the breast milk is very advantageous for the mother. It helps to reduce the stress after the delivery. It also helps to reduce her chances of getting ovarian and breast cancer. Also, it helps to form a psychological and emotional connect with her newborn. WHO suggests that the newborn is exclusively breastfed for 6 months. For the new going to be mothers, I would like to stress on the fact that you will need help learning to breastfeed, and so will your baby. So don't be afraid to ask for the help. After your newborn is born, your healthcare worker will help you to do skin to skin contact with your newborn. They will help you with to recognize the signs as to when to feed your newborn. Also, they will show you the adequate position for breastfeeding. Like I said before, breast milk contains a lot of antibodies in contrast to those infants who are fed infant powder or who are not fed breast milk. Those children are usually susceptible to a lot of infections like gastrointestinal infections, respiratory infections, malnutrition, a lot of infections. It is usually suggestive that after your delivery, within half an hour or maximum up to 1 hour, you start with the breastfeeding. Also, I cannot stress enough that the mothers actually need to have a proper nutrition, should take adequate rest and drink plenty of water. Last but not the least, I would like to conclude that by raising awareness regarding breastfeeding, we are educating the world's moms and providing them support for the same. For it is in making a healthy newborn that we give rise to a healthier world. Thank you.